So firstly, what you want to do is check your 8-arm bushes, make sure they are worn. All I do is grab them, give them a shake. Can you see it's moving? It's not supposed to move like that. If you look at the bottom one, it has no play. Okay. Let's go ahead and give these a little clean up. As you can see, there's loads of grease really leaking out of them. What you want to do is literally just pop these out here, same way. Pop that one out that side. Looks like this one's stuck inside there. And these are the new ones from All Balls Racing. Lower 8-arm seal Polaris Predator, but the bottom ones fit the top ones. Right, okay. If you look at this one here, it's a lot thicker compared to this one. This one is from All Balls. It's a bit thinner, it's a bit squishier. So I hope the All Ball ones is a good replacement. Oh, okay. You just snap them together, squeeze them there like that. Fitment. Still got a slight bit of play, but they look better than the other ones. That's both 8-arms fitting, and then it pumps grease into it. Yo, did you see that?
Yeah.
So you pump it till it leaks out.
It's not a game.